Boiler installation Middleton, Leeds, Cosy heating services. We also cover Pudsey, Stanningley, Headingley, Bramley, Farsley and Rothwell. Our friendly and professional team can offer a range of boiler services for both residential and commercial customers. Boiler installation, servicing and repairs, as well as landlord certificates. If your old boiler is not working efficiently, it could be costing you money. A new A+ rated energy efficient boiler will save you money. We can help you decide on the best new boiler to suit both your needs and your budget. We are fully qualified and registered on the Gas Safe Register and approved installers for a long list of top manufacturers. So don't leave yourself shivering in the cold. For more information on the range of boiler services we can provide, contact us today on 0113 3204 242.